Hey everybody, Brandon Chega here for gold release review of my app called Glamify. So from the last video, the release candidate, not too much has changed. There were a couple bug fixes and the activity page got a little redone. But I'm going to go ahead and go through a full walkthrough here just to go over all the features that are in the app. So we have the login and the sign up screen here. So you can sign up as a new user. You can just log in with an existing one, which I will, to show off more of the features here. So go ahead and log in. So you can see on the main feed now, one of the things we did is we made this feed a lot smoother. There's no more stuttering in it. We also added the pull down to refresh. So you do have a manual way of refreshing the feed there. We also added a new layout for the activity. So this is more of a card-based style. It looks a little cleaner and just goes along with the app altogether a little bit better. We put a navigation bar on the top there. And then another feature we added is the feature to unfollow a user. So you can see here if I click on unfollow and I refresh this, I do not see Miley's glams anymore. And then I can go in here in the discover, click on her profile, refollow her, and refresh, and then it pulls back in. So going over the features, this is the main feed of the application. So you can see these are the users that I'm currently following, well, they're glams at least. We do have the option to favorite a glam, and we also have the option to comment on a glam. So I can go ahead and I love this hairstyle. Oops, hairstyle. And I can go ahead and save it. You can see now the green bubble means that I've commented and there is currently one comment on it. And if I click it, you can see it there. In the Discover feature here, basically it just pulls a bunch of glams from other users beside yourself so that you can go out there and discover other people. You can also search by category. So if I type in something like hair or makeup, you can see that those specific glams show up. I can also search by a user, so I can search by Miley Philippi, or I think another user is Lisa Simpson, so I can search for those. I can also search for Jeff since I used the other two and they gave the same glams. So the category and the user search are both functioning. Like as you saw before, if I click on one of these, it opens up a new detail glam page, which also allows you to comment or favorite a glam. So you can see this one here. This one has two favorites, but one of them is, or neither of them are me. So if I actually favorite this, you can see it increases to 3 and then fills in my red heart, showing that I have favorited that glam. Okay, moving on to the add a glam screen. So not much has changed here. You can still go in here and you can add an image. I'll choose from the gallery. So I'll just pick like this waterfall, and then you can give it a glam name. And you can choose a category, so I can pick something like cosmetics if that's what this was, And then I can go in and I can add products to it, such as test product 1, so on and so forth. So that is how you add a glam. So I'm going to go ahead and save this one. You can see here it says success glam, save successfully. So now if I go into the activity feed, you guys kind of got a glimpse of this. So this shows all the activity relating to me. So I Love Nails followed me, Miley Philippi followed me, Miley Philippi favored one of my photos, Lisa Simpson commented on one of my photos. So anything that's related to other users creating activity based on your glams or yourself, that's where this shows up. Then we also have my profile page, which I have the Despicable Me picture there. So these are statistics here. So nobody has favorited any of my glams. I have 2 followers currently. I am following 3 people. I've made 8 comments and I have 1 glam, which is the one I actually just made. And then in the settings page here, you can do things like change your name. You can add your YouTube URL. You can give yourself a profile. You can save to update it. You can tap on your image to change it, and you can also log out. So that is a good overall review of the entire application for every screen. I hope you guys enjoy the video and will like the application, and I hope you see it on the App Store soon. Thank you.